This is the day. You're feeling rugged as ever. Pretty smooth beginning. Your boat's as plump and soft as a beauty rest. Simple, isn't it? Roll with the waves. You make it over safely. That's making the most of your equipment. Your nerves feel like they're gonna bust. Things are beginning to roll. Paddles away. Now, how about getting down to business? But that's no way to get at it. You're just using up a lot of energy. Whatever it is, it's probably a good idea. You must have been doing some homework lately. It works every time. So keep it clean and don't spare the first aid.